Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm sitting at my desktop ready to show you some eBay sales. I know I always do other sales like Poshmark and other things like that, but I want to show you what actually sold on eBay and for how much. So stay tuned, here it comes. Okay, so here are some of the things that I sold on eBay. This is my absolute favorite. So I actually sold a brand new in-box bidet. When I first started selling, I totally mispronounced this word on one of my videos, and you guys on YouTube had a heyday with it. You had so much fun with it because I called it a bidet. But I know it's a bidet. I think I was just in a hurry. So anyway, this actually sold for $200. It was brand new in box. And it's showing expedited shipping to me, but if you look back on the original listing, the shipping paid by the buyer was actually, look right there, $105.75 because it was actually sold overseas. So that's really fun. And so don't be afraid to sell internationally. You'd be surprised what people will pay to get it shipped to them because they can't find it anywhere else. All right, then the next thing that I sold was an NFL Denver Broncos tabletop cover. I originally thought, awesome, it's a Denver Broncos table, and it's not. It's actually just the cover for like tailgate season, football season, stuff like that. So it actually sold for $29.99. And then I shipped it free shipping. And so you got to take about anything that weighs less than a pound, I always list free shipping. So you got to take about $4 off with the shipping on that. Then I sold a portable phone mount holder. It looks like this. It basically clips to your vent for your car. And so I sold that for $15.99. That one was also a free shipping option. And then I sold, I did not sell very many of these phone cases. I got a cell phone accessories box and I really didn't want to list them all, but I listed like 3 or 4 and decided it's too much of a hassle. I'm not going to list these anymore. And then I offered them basically small boxes for you guys on eBay. And so I just wanted to kind of move the product out of there. It's a product I didn't really want to deal with. But this one actually sold for $24.99. So I was excited about that, but the rest of them are available in accessories boxes for you. And then the next thing that I sold was some Legos. As you can see, I had them in various different colors. I think the only one I have left now is yellow, but I basically counted out actual Lego brand, not Mega Bloks, not those off brands. They're actually Lego brands because they say Lego on the little dot on the top of the block. And so those sold for $9.75 and I do free shipping. And so I make probably $3 or $4 every time I sell a bag of 100 of those. So far that's what we've got for sales. So let's see what we've got on the next page. The next page, I've got these really fun Slitherio jumbo bendable, there's like a wire in them, plush toys. I've got a bunch of these for sale and I love these. So I've got a rainbow colored one, which seems to be selling really well. And then I've got another one called striped color. It's almost identical, just a few different colors than this. And so I sold that for $30 and they did pay shipping on that one. And then this one was really neat. I actually found this item at a Savers thrift store. So it's a painted, basically nativity scene on a rock. And so here's my different pictures. That's the back of it. And so that sold for $30 and they paid shipping on that as well. And then someone else bought, basically 3 Lego lots. So they bought a gray, a black, and then a yellow Lego lot, $9.75 a piece. Believe it or not, I sold this picture frame, just a generic picture frame. They sell really well on eBay, so it's something to look into. They did pay shipping, so they bought it for $9.99, and then they paid $7.85 for the shipping. And so it was surprising to me, but that actually no. They bought it for $8. Sorry, I was reading the actual listing. They bought it for $8 and then they paid $10.40 for shipping. So sorry about that. Then I sold some more red Legos for $9.75 and then I sold a putter, a golf putter. I find these all the time down at the Goodwill outlet. And so don't discount these just because they're in an awkward box. I have a really cool box that they actually fit in. You can get from the Priority Mail Center at the United States Postal Service. So check that out. They have this triangle shaped priority box that works perfect for golf clubs. And so I I ship in those really nicely. Then someone bought some blue Legos for $9.75, red Legos, gray Legos. And I actually sold quite a few Legos because I actually boosted my listing on eBay. And so I need to take probably about 30 to 50 cents off per sale on Legos because I boosted the listing and that cost me just a little bit for that. So lots and lots and lots of Lego sales. Then I sold some Jennifer Lopez glasses. Look at those. Those are cool. Aren't they neat? So those sold for a really good price. I had the winning bid, they sold by auction. So I actually sold those by auction. Most of my things that I showed you thus far, I sold buy it now. I'm sorry if I'm going so fast, but I wanted to kind of give you guys a neat glimpse into what I sold. So $11.70 is what these sold for, and they paid $3.70 because it was a first class delivery for these Jennifer Lopez glasses. So those are some of my eBay sales. As you can see, it was a lot of Legos and then some other fun things. But and then look for those Slitheros if you like them. They're brand new in box, totally still packaged. They come just like you see with the little black holder. And so I've got some striped ones and some rainbow ones. So check those out. Those are really cool. And then of course I sold my favorite thing, which is, let me see if I can get down to the screen right there, my bio bidet. This was my favorite thing and by far my best sale. I did sell some mini bidets on Shopify, so I sold some of those on my store, but this one was definitely my biggest sale of this listing. So there are some of my eBay sales. It's definitely a variety. Like I said, you can sell almost anything on eBay. So hopefully it's been fun to see what I sold on eBay in these last few weeks. And I'll try to throw an eBay sales video out from time to time, but check it out. It's super fun. And I kind of backed off of selling on eBay, but I am definitely an eBay seller once again. There's been a lot of things that I have put on eBay as of late, as well as Facebook Marketplace. So check my hookedonpickin.com Facebook page. I've got some things for sale even on my Facebook Marketplace. So hopefully it's been helpful and fun to see what I sold on eBay. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.